whole ecosystem changes.
The multi-billion shilling Thiba Dam in Kirinyaga County is now complete. Rice farmers are greatly optimistic that it will double rice production volume from the current 114 metric tons to approximately 200,000 metric tons. With the rainy season looming at the corner, it's expected the dam will harvest a substantial amount of water. KTN's Moige William toured the project and filed the following report.
Thiba Dam, which is among President Uhuru Kenyatta's flagship projects in Mount Kenya predicated under the Big Four agenda, is complete. The 8.2 billion shillings dam will go a long way in resolving the water shortage problem at the Moi irrigation scheme in Kirinyaga County and provide sustainable, well-managed water with a reservoir holding a capacity of 15 million cubic meters. Providing water for irrigation, the dam is projected to close the country's rice supply deficit by 86,000 metric tons.
This project, I want to say and confirm, is that we are storing flood water in Moi, rather in Thiba River, and now we are just waiting for the start of the rains. Anytime from today, if the rains commence, we'll be able to start harvesting water here. And according to our projections, it will take about 2 to 3 months for this water to completely fill, and we start spilling the water through the spillway.
Availability of water is expected to also increase the acreage under irrigation by 10,000 acres, in addition to the 25,000 acres currently under irrigation.
Because you find that when there are rains, there are a lot of water. When it comes to the dry season, the rice farmers downstream at Thiba or at Moi irrigation scheme always suffer from the shortage of water. So with Thiba Dam coming in, it will stabilize the river flow. That means the farmers who are farming downstream, especially at Moi irrigation scheme, will be able to have continuous water throughout the year. They will be able to irrigate the whole year.
The dam will enable rice farmers to grow rice 2 seasons in a year with uninterrupted water supply.
When we look at what we are producing today in Moi, is 114 metric tons, 1,000 metric tons of rice. The national requirement is projected or estimated around 480,000. In Moi, we are going to increase this with this dam completion of this project to 200,000 metric tons. So that is how this project will impact in terms of going a journey towards fulfilling or cutting the deficit of rice in the country.
President Kenyatta unveiled the project in November 2017, which was among the first one after his re-election. Works kicked off in March 2018. The National Irrigation Authority is also undertaking expansion activities in other rice-producing irrigation schemes so as to complement the Moi irrigation scheme in bridging the rice deficit in the country. Moige William, KTN News.